Hello, this is Zhuo Ya from Zhuo Ya Photography. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite locations because it contains quite a lot of elements in it. You can see the road behind me. It's a beach access to the beach. And also we got those two tree arches like a door. So we can got a couple like walking through the pathway and getting through that door. It's a story and with a journey in it. The problem with this location is it's a bit flat. So as you can see, the two trees are all in shadow and they are quite flat. And also as well as the road, it hasn't got the dramatic lights into it as we wish to. We're gonna use Godox AD1200 as acting as a mainlight to create a sunlight go through that tree arch. It's like a sunlight goes through this doorway and shining out to the pathway. So it will create those steps in the photo.
Hey guys, so we are using the Godox P90L as the softbox, as the main light. The reason why we're using that is because we need to project the light to a great distance. Now we also use the inner diffuser to reduce the hotspot.
And also we got Godox AD1200Pro acting as the filling light to fill up the shadows. And I will show you what it will be like without the lighting. And we're also gonna show you the lighting effect. In order to get including all the elements into the one shot, I chose my favorite 24-70. I'm gonna using the 24N, just get a wide angle so I can include all the elements into one frame. I'm gonna shoot a photo without the light, and I'm gonna show you once I turn the lights on. As you can see in the first shot, without the light turned on, the theme looks very dark and flat. The second shot I took with all the lights on, the theme looks a lot more dramatic. 好，很好，好，来面朝那一边，骑着裙子好像再往前走，再回来一点点。So we're gonna place a model in our frame, and she is looking through those two trees, like going through a door. And now we're gonna take a shot with no light. So now we're going to take another shot with the light on. 对，薄薄的拿一层，好，很好，哎，对，很好，肩不要手那么高，好，提了一点点裙子，对着手往后压，好，有没有看到？